Probably like in the span of next week or next 2 weeks, good luck guys. Oh wait, there's a 50x on 18, 25x on 5. You saw that?
My legs don't work like they used to before.
Wait, could we get a 25x? Hello? Hi. There's a 25x from the deal, by the way. So the max multiplier 2,500x. Pretty neat, you know. Anyways, bigger real time. Imagine the minimum multiplier being a 75x. Imagine that. Like, it's full of hundreds. Anything you picked is insane. There is the 1,250 and 2,500. There's the doubles area as well, and what is that? There's 150s, 250s, 350s, anything you'd ever want. For your wife, for your husband, for your kids as well.
Pink bowls, pink plates. Sounds cool. I want that. I'm down for the pink. Well, I wouldn't choose black because usually, it would be a black sink. You would get tired of the cleaning because water leaves the white sink. 50x the letter E. That's nice. It would be nice to get it though. So I wouldn't choose black. Oh my. Ooh, we got a 50x on a letter. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. 1,250x on a letter E. Have you heard? Is it good? Great time like 25x multi. Please. Okay. Come on. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh my. I think my heart is gonna fall out, everybody. Let's apply 25x multiplier. Highest multiplier we can catch is 2,500x. Come on, everybody. Woo! Good luck. $375x for green, 625x for blue, 2,500x.
Light. Let's do this. Thank you so much, Arsmine. I appreciate it. Come on, keep it going, come on. Oh, are y'all ready for this? Do y'all see what I see? Lightning storm with a 20x multiplier. What is going on? Let's go. This is mental. What's going on? Would you look at that? This is so good. Okay, decision time is all yours. Lightning strike 1, 2, or 3. Which one do you guys choose? Okay, lightning strike number 1, let's go. You are joking. It just gets better and better. What is going on? 800, 1,200. I can't even count that high. That's 6,000 for number 1. 6,000x for lightning strike number 1, you guys. Okay, 1,000x for lightning strike number 2. Okay, I am getting nervous. Lightning strike number 3, give it to us. What do we have here? That's 800x multiplier. Lightning strike number 1 being the highest with 6,000x multiplier. 6,000x is crazy.